On the street. Street food. Okay guys, we are, well, our place is right there.
Really good.
That's where we're staying. So we've just come across the road to have some food, dinner. It is night time, it is dinner time. So yeah, we've just stopped at this place. MMZ Bistro, I think.
From 1968.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, boss.
Thank you. Yeah, apparently they've been here since 1968. I just got a Horlicks shake. Wow. Which is like massive and good and creamy. We also ordered, as per recommended by the man that works here, the man that owns the place. He said, you know, it started in 1968, and he said I think it was his granddad that actually started it. It was a full family business, and the famous thing that they have is what Asha's trying right now.
Really good.
And that is the goat rib. Yeah. The soup, goat soup. But we had to make sure which part of the goat it was, and this we made sure was the goat ribs. And Asha seems to be enjoying it.
It's like really rich meat stew soup with ribs like with bones and a little bit of chives. Definitely super healthy with like lots of spices and ginger. But imagine you eat something like that. I think I ate something like that in the mountains in Nepal. Wow.
Cool, my turn. Yeah, there were, you know, talks of other types of soups. Well, basically he said it's famous, like this is the one that everybody gets, but there is like goat tail, goat tongue, and then goat ribs. So we went with the goat ribs.
Why would you eat someone's stomach?
Because meaty. Whoa. Didn't expect the spice. Okay. But yeah, very good. Very much goat. It's interesting though, because they call mutton goat, whereas mutton, as far as I knew, is like an old sheep, old lamb is mutton. I'm not sure.
This is kasi telur bawang.
Oh. Yeah. And then, so Asha's also ordered the, what was it? Tosai?
That's like a tosai, onion and egg. So I see inside there's like fried egg on the tosai and fresh onion. I think it's not cooked onion, so it's like fresh onion. He took it. He took it our cutlery bag. So it looks like this, and then you basically get these things like sauces. Wow. Today is like India Day. All different.
Yeah.
This one's spicy.
Spicy.
This one like fresh, I don't know. Looks like masala, but it's fresh. And this one kind of sweet. Not far from each other. Really good.
There you go, heard it here first. Very good, very good, very good. So yeah, I'm still on the goat a bit. Just got a bit of meat. Really good. Ooh, a lot of black pepper. That's what the that's what the heat is. And then we wash it all down just with a Horlicks shake. I think I probably could have just done with it a cold Horlicks or even a hot Horlicks. The shake, like the ice, just makes it really thick, and then you just can't get the Horlicks. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so there's other stuff coming. I've got some things coming. When they turn up, I'll let you know. So mine's just turned up. Ooh. So I got roti boom. So roti boom is like a thick roti, like this. Wow. Ooh, gosh. Hotty roti. And then it has like these dipping sauces. But these dipping sauces I've noticed are different. They're actually dipping sauces.
Roti is very different than this.
Yeah.
Like roti is more like a sweet thing.
No, this is
Spicy?
definitely spicy. I can see.
This is more like the Indian one. Like
Yeah. But that's like it's like a spicy chutney actually. It's like a sweet spicy chutney.
Is that your coconut rice?
Yes. Wow. Amazing.
Is there anything else? That's all right.
I think that's it. I think that's it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. Wow. Got a plate. So that was really good. Now we've just literally got everything delivered to us. Now, I think it's like sardines maybe. I'm gonna try this one.
Wow, what's that?
Wow, I don't know what that one is either. That one's like a sweet one. So these are sweeter.
Yeah, but like roti is sweet.
That one's not though. That one's like a masala. Kind of. Now what else has turned up?
My green.
Oh yeah, Ash's. 1 second.
I had it
Ash's quite.
older. So I asked, is there anything like vegetables? And they said that normally they do meat with vegetables, like a vegetarian dish. And I said, can I have meat without meat, please? So the man thought it was weird, but then he gave me this beautiful dish with like greens, cabbage and carrot, and that's perfect. I feel like I can have like bread, rice, soup, meat, but I still need a lot of more vegetables. Like I feel like I'm not there yet with how much vegetables I would like to eat a day. So here it is. Amazing.
We also got some coconut rice there, which I think are sardines next to it. What else? And then this, which I think that's a sardine. And then I think this is like a shrimp paste. Maybe that's shrimp. No, that's sardine. And then there's this, which is like looks like a chili, sweet chili stuff. Maybe it looks very similar to that, but with sardines in it as well. What else haven't I shown you? I think I've shown you everything. Let's go with this one again. So this is the coconut rice.
That's so good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Sweet. Like a dessert. yeah, that's definitely with. Ooh. So that's definitely different to that one. That's like a shrimp paste, shrimp chili paste. There we go. That's everything.
Gosh, that rice is the best ever.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming, eat the stuff, and wow, it's quite a lot.
I'm already feeling like I'm even though I see that the street, they're having like proper street food. This is the best food. I've never had such a street food.
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
Like
Literally,
the car.
literally on the street. On the street. Street food. Yeah, real street food.
Even with the street, I just feel so sleepy already.
Yeah, well, lucky home's just here.
Yeah.
So we're not too far away. Okay guys, gonna eat now. Bye. Okay guys. Oh, that one as well. That one. They're all gone. All gone. Even this. And I'm having another Horlicks. Ooh. This is basically my addiction at the moment. Horlicks addiction. Oh, really nice. I guess at the end of it all, or when we go to pay, I'll let you know how much it all costs. Oh, you can get delivery as well. But yeah, really nice to kind of, I guess, be a part of history unknown to us. Because, you know, it's been here, like I said, since... It's been here, you know, since 1968. That is 40, 50 years? 50 years. Wow. 50 years, 3 generations. That's pretty crazy. Cool. Well, that's it for now.
Very sleepy. Very happy of where we've been, what we've done, what we've seen. Maybe wouldn't mind. Maybe would prefer not to be in darkness in the cave, but it happened, you know. But it was scary.
Yes, it was scary.
But at the end, we saw a wedding, Indian wedding, and that was like kind of soothing. We had some sweets and enjoyed like cultural event of someone's special day. So yeah, at the end of the day, great, and it's good to be near our home.
Yes. So when we work out how much it costs, I'll let you know. That'll probably be the end of the video. Pretty quick one, but a fulfilling one. Okay guys, that is us. That is it. That is the food. All gone. Yeah, so we're done the food. Asher is following far behind. There's the trucks. There's the tower. Manara. And this is us. That way. Yeah, the food, awesome. You know, wholesome, home cooked type situation of food mixed with kind of Indian curry, goat, everything. How much was it, did you say? Oh, how much was it? It was 28 ringgit, so that's about less than £6, less than £3 each. So really good price. Got some amazing street art on it. Cool guys, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope this did something for you, gave you a little insight maybe as to what some of the street food is around here. Yeah, and kind of I guess how much it costs, and maybe yeah, just what's available. We're full, we're tired, we're going to bed. So yeah, cheers, thanks for watching. Maybe consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and all those other things. Although that's all of those things. But yeah, cheers guys. See you next time. Until then, Keep on drifting.